it's also raining, so it's better that I put this cover, rain cover, to my tank bag. Ayyo. Oh, Jimmy.
One eternity later.
Okay, let's go. Welcome back, everyone. Hope you are doing good. Where is my mic? Okay. So today I am riding to Agumbe, the sunset point. It is around 335 kilometers here, and okay, sorry, not 25 kilometers. I wanted to ride to Agumbe for so long, but from past 1 month it's been raining very badly, so there was warning issued that people, if you are going this just for sightseeing and all, don't do it because there might be landslides. Go to the sunset point, do some time lapse, have some coffee, and then come back. That's all. It's Sunday, so out here for just a casual ride. For those who don't know, Agumbe receives the third highest rainfall in India, that is ranked after Cherrapunji. So monsoon here are pretty bad. I mean, it will be raining 24/7. Greenery, greenery, greenery. It's the best time to visit places, say, like Agumbe, Chikmagalur. You know, just after monsoon is over. I mean, monsoon is not over yet, but it's monsoon break here, so it's not been raining from past 3 or 4 days. Another 7 kilometers. That was really a dangerous thing that happened. I mean, the roads were very slippery, so was my tire. Glad that there was no any vehicle coming. Okay, so I guess we are here. Apart from rain, this place is also famous for leeches and king cobra. So when you are here, make sure that you don't get bitten by both of these things. One is irritating, another one is deadly. Agumbe. So I mean, this is Agumbe town. Maybe I'll try. God. Okay, I find this spot to be good enough. Park it here. Let me quickly grab some photos and then I guess I'll do some cinematics. This thing is as I told you, completely covered in mist. Let's quickly go so that I don't think I can make any time lapse here because it's completely misted. Nor will you be able to see any clouds nor sunset. I don't know. Let me just go there. Oh, man, this looks so good. Agumbe. Oh, there's a monkey over there. Chisya. It's busy eating. Okay, now it's some coffee time. Perfect weather to enjoy coffee, but maybe inside car or inside your home. Ayayo, ayayo. fuck, it started to rain badly. Started to... Yo. I thought something fell and I could not find my mobile in my pocket. So I thought, oh, thank God it's here. God, it's started to rain properly. Shit. Where is the exit? Come fast. Oh, finally. This. Oh my god. Oh god, finally.